Hello, I'm Kate, and I want to show you how to leave a group on Snapchat, which I call the ultimate Snapchat group escape plan. Are you tired of being stuck in a Snapchat group that's gone from fun to frustrating? Well, buckle up, friend, because it's time to make your escape. Are you interested? Are you drowning in a sea of drama, overwhelmed by notifications galore, sick of conversations that put you to sleep? Whatever your reason, it's time to bid adieu to that Snapchat group and a hello to a more peaceful, stress-free you. Now, here is a step-by-step escape plan. Number one, open Snapchat. Number two, tap the group name. Number three, tap on the three dots at the top. And here's the fun part. Tap leave group. Good. Confirm your escape by tapping on leave. And just like that, you're free. Remember, it's okay to prioritize your own happiness. So go forth and Snapchat like a boss on your own terms. You can thank me by clicking the like button and subscribing to this channel. Till next time, bye bye.